Here you are in Building A of Ocean Winds in Supercon, South Carolina. Yet another non-working elevator. Oh, wait a minute, it works. It's repaired! Oh my god. I was gonna film it being broken, but the guy repaired it. The problem was with the door. Going up. Oh, it smells like cleaning supplies. Let's go to 3. Wow, it's my first time in this. 2,500 pounds. There's a bug in here. It's annoying me. Leveling. Let's keep the door open. Here are the things. Group, light, car top inspection. 2,500 pounds. No speed. Let's go down to G, which should be P. And the fly's down there. So cappy now. Okay, right up. Ooh. See that? The door just... Ooh, the door's closing. I don't know. What's a 2? Jolts. And it's smooth though for the rest of the way. Except for the noise. Door is closing on me. The door has a malfunction. Wow. Fix it. So that's it. When it goes. Okay.